FT950 with no antenna connections. I'm gonna remove this antenna connection. So other than power, there's nothing connected to the radio. Let's power it on. You hear that beep? I'll adjust the shift. It's on most of the bands. It's pretty loud, very loud.